Is earning money online legit? Hi, this is Tim. Welcome to All Affiliate Cash. Is earning money online legit? This is a question that I get asked many times during the week, and I actually love having this conversation with people who really care about the truth of the answer. Yes, earning money online can be legitimate. There are many honest ways to earn money online, such as through freelance work, selling products or services, affiliate marketing, courses and coaching, and creating and monetizing a website or blog. However, there are also many scams and fraudulent schemes that promise to help people make money online, but in reality are designed to take people's money or personal information instead. It is important to be cautious and do thorough research before investing time or money into an online earning opportunity. Here are some common signs of a scam when it comes to earning money online. Upfront payment. Legitimate online earning opportunities will not require you to pay up front for inventory or promises of high earning potential. Be suspicious of any opportunity that requires you to pay money to get started, unless that money is specifically targeted for training. More about this later. Guaranteed high income. No legitimate online earning opportunity can guarantee a certain level of income. Be wary of opportunities that promise easy money or large sums of money quickly. There are no get-rich-quick schemes, only programs that teach you the correct way to earn online. Little or no information. Legitimate online earning opportunities will have detailed information about what the opportunity entails and how you will earn money. Be suspicious of opportunities that provide very little information or that are vague about the program. They should include some form of introduction video that answers your questions about what the program entails before asking you to join. Pressure to act quickly. Scammers often try to create an unrealistic sense of urgency to get you to act before you have a chance to think things through. Be wary of any opportunity that pressures you to act too quickly without giving you ample time and information first. Unprofessional websites. Though a professional website is not the only sign of a legitimate opportunity, of course, but it is a good indication. Be suspicious of websites that look unprofessional or have really bad grammar or spelling errors. If the website is in English and it looks like it was written by a 6-year-old, that's not a good sign. Checking online reviews and ratings from previous customers is a good way to identify potential scams and find legitimate online earning opportunities. Real online business enablers will have referrals and reviews that are both positive and negative, of course, and those with a long history online are typically more legit than those who have just shown up and offer what's too good to be true. It is important to be cautious and do thorough research before investing significant time or money into an online earning opportunity. So what is the best way to earn online? The best way to earn money online will vary depending on your skills, interests, and resources. Here are a few legitimate things to consider that may help you reach the answer that's right for you. Freelancing. If you have a specific skill set, such as writing, graphic design, or programming, freelancing can be a great way to earn money online. You can offer your services on freelance platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. You are, however, simply trading time for money in most of these endeavors, and that's not a great income-producing solution. Selling products. If you have a product to sell, such as a handmade craft or digital products, you can use online platforms such as Etsy, Amazon, and even your own website or sales funnel to sell them. Your earning potential here is limited by the price you can charge your customers. However, you may find you have a high earning potential skill and do just fine here. Online tutoring or teaching. If you have an expertise in a particular subject, you can often earn money by tutoring or teaching others online. Platforms such as VIPKid or Chegg are a good place to start. Creating and selling online courses. You can also create and sell your own online courses, of course, which allow you to teach a wider range audience and prevents you from simply trading time for money one-on-one, which will rarely make you rich. Platforms such as ClickFunnels, Udemy, Coursera, and Teachable can be used to create, market, and sell your courses. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where an online store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when you sell a product, you purchase the item from a third party and they ship it directly to your customer. This eliminates the need for your store to handle inventory. Be cautious of the business-in-a-box model, however, as the only one who makes money with these online businesses is the person selling it to you. I have another video that talks about that scam in more detail. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission on sales. You can do this by promoting these products on social media and through advertising and sending your leads to affiliate links in your content. It's important to note that earning money online will require time, effort, and in some cases, actual money to invest. There is no one-size-fits-all solution that guarantees success. It's important to choose something that aligns with your skills, your interests, and resources. Affiliate marketing is often seen as a very attractive earning model, as you simply promote other people's products or services without any investment in inventory, shipping and return problems, or customer service. There are many affiliate marketing programs available, and the best one for you will depend on your niche, your audience, and the products or services you wish to promote. Here are a few of the popular affiliate marketing programs. Amazon Associates. One of the most well-known affiliate programs, Amazon Associates allows you to promote any product on Amazon and earn a commission on sales. ClickBank. ClickBank is an affiliate marketplace that specializes in digital products such as ebooks, courses, and software. It offers a wide variety of products to promote and has a reputation for paying commissions on time. Commission Junction, or CJ. Commission Junction is a leading affiliate network that connects advertisers and publishers with high-profile brands. It offers a wide variety of products and services to promote and also has a reputation for paying commissions on time. Share a Sale. Share a Sale is an interesting affiliate marketplace that offers a number of specialty products and services across a variety of niches that you won't find in other marketplaces. Rakuten. Rakuten Marketing is an affiliate network that offers a very wide range of products and is known for its high commissions and timely payments. Direct brand options. A number of high-profile brands will offer a direct affiliate program without going through any sort of marketplace. These often pay higher commissions as they pass along the savings to you, the freelance digital marketer. It is important to do your research and read reviews for programs you're interested in before joining them. Additionally, it's important to choose products or services that align with your niche and your audience, and also to be transparent with your audience and disclose that you are using affiliate links and you will be paid a commission when they purchase. So how do I get started with affiliate marketing? If you just read the numerous free ebooks and watch the videos online, you can get to the point where you will create a landing page, capture emails, and send people to an affiliate link. However, this is not the hard part of affiliate marketing. The hard part is the marketing. Without proven training from a long-established, successful company, you will find it very frustrating to make any money with this otherwise simple earning technique. When looking for an affiliate marketing training company, it's important to consider the following factors: experience and expertise of the trainers. Look for trainers who have a proven track record of success in affiliate marketing and who have the knowledge and experience to teach you the skills you need to be successful. Beware the self-professed guru who is more interested in selling you his next course than in seeing you are successful with the investment you have already made. Course content. Make sure that the training covers the specific topics you are interested in, such as keyword search, SEO, paid advertising, content creation, and conversion optimization, and that the materials are updated frequently as the online market is constantly changing. Interactive learning. Look for training that includes interactive elements like live workshops, where you can have real engagement with competent marketing trainers, in that these programs have a history of success and past recorded webinars that you can watch to further your knowledge. Support and community are important. Look for training that offers ongoing support with more than just a single guru answering your emails when he gets around to it, and includes a viable and active online community of other affiliate marketers with the ability to contact the trainers at any time. Flexibility. The training should be flexible, and you should be able to access it at any time from anywhere at your own pace. This means the majority of the training needs to be online and your access needs to be eternal. There should be no time limit for how long you get access to the materials, and updates to the materials should be included at no additional charge. Case studies. Look for training that includes real-world examples and case studies to help you understand the concepts better. Learning what works for others before you will enable you to rise to a level of success quickly and not make the same mistakes that others have already made. Tools and resources. Make sure the training includes access to all the tools and resources you need to get your affiliate business up and running quickly, and the company is committed to your success. It is also important to consider your own learning style and preferences and choose training that will be most effective for you. Of course, I do have a training recommendation that meets all these requirements and more. The link to this training is in the description. The trainers are all highly skilled online marketers with many years in the business. The training itself is proven, and students are often wildly successful. There is no income guarantee, of course, but this training includes not only affiliate marketing, but how to be successful with coaching and courses, digital products, as well as events and masterminds. It has been featured in both Forbes and INC magazines and recently won a recognition award from INC for the 63rd fastest growing private online training company in the US. I'm always happy to answer any questions you might have about this training, and of course I'm here to help you succeed in your online earning endeavor. To that end, if you wish to copy my successful affiliate marketing business, there's a link in the description where you can do just that. Cloning my business will give you a head start on your own affiliate marketing journey. As always, please like this video and share this with someone else who may benefit from watching. If you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe and hit the little bell. If you're watching on Facebook, like and follow for more great online earning content. That's it for today. Until next time, life is good.